So, if Fortnite is stuttering on your PC, don't worry, this is a very common issue. It can happen because of corrupted game files, wrong Windows settings, or outdated GPU drivers. In this video, I'll show you a few quick and effective fixes that usually solve Fortnite stuttering completely. Let's get into it. Step 1. Verify game files. Open Epic Games, then Library, then three dots next to Fortnite, then Manage, then Verify. Step 2. Change Fortnite compatibility settings. Open Fortnite, install folder, then Fortnite game, then binaries, then Win64. Right-click Fortnite launcher, then properties, then compatibility. Enable disable full screen optimizations and run as administrator. Step 3. Update your GPU drivers. Update your graphics drivers using your GPU software, like NVIDIA app or AMD software. Step 4. Enable hardware acceleration. Go to Windows settings, then display, then graphics, then advanced graphics. Turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling.